don't need to get way out here because I just want him to move, close the distance so I can be at work here, okay? So my hands come up, I'm gonna be just like this. So whenever he punches, boom, I'm here, all right? Now, as I turn my body, my knife hand, okay, naturally is in a grabbing position, okay? So it turns into block and grab, okay? And then outside in block, okay, is the basic technique, all right?
Where'd you hit him?
Right behind the elbow, okay?
I bet he can tell you.
So that's the hard blocking. That's how it transfers from Taekwondo, all right? You can also do the same thing from a wrist grab. So whenever he grabs my wrist, I bring it up, okay? I make my grip. I do outside in block, okay? That's it, okay? So whenever you do an outside in block in regular Taekwondo or karate, and we learn how to chamber, right? We chamber just like this. This is an armbar position if you're looking at it from Hapkido, okay? I'm chambering way back because if I'm going to do it one-armed, I'm going to keep it on my shoulder and I'm going to strike him there, all right? So whenever it comes up,